Good morning. Apologize I can't Zoom today. I'm having some various symptoms that are ailing me this morning, and so I'm staying home, making this video for you to show you how to create your Google Sites, so you can go ahead and create that link that you were supposed to create for me for today's attendance. It's important to note that even if you're not finished with the website, you can still post and share that link for me, because it's going to update every time you make changes on it, just like a Google Doc. So let's look at it. So how I got here is I went to Google Sites. I just typed Google Sites, like S-I-T-E, in the search bar and just clicked that. So I got here and I created a new site, like you create a new document in Google Docs. So I'm going to create the first thing you should always do when you're creating any kind of document or site is to put a title on it so you don't lose it. Too many students I know leave all their documents untitled, and that's a very bad habit, because then you tend to lose stuff because you don't know which is what. So let's go ahead and put a title on it. Okay, so I'm going to just title it something simple for now. I don't have a topic specifically, but so we're just going to put that on there. You're going to want to create several pages on here. If you want to do that, you just click the plus sign here and title the page. So we'll do one for the presentation, so just click that, and we've created another page for the presentation. And notice that the title here is what we titled it up here. I'm going to put the word topic here because this is probably what I'm going to put, if your topic is teen pregnancy or opioid overdose, then you're going to put that here. The main thing, you can play with it to get different colorations, and you can click these and it changes up a little bit. But the main idea is that you get all that content in there for now. Make all your pages. There are lots of different items on here that you can mess with. I would recommend trying out the buttons, the table of contents, collapsible text. I think that you should try a lot of these and see how they work for you. You should certainly change the image on the header. But once you've messed around with it and you feel like you're ready to share your link, you can spend about 30 minutes on this and then go ahead and just share that link for me for your attendance today. I'm going to publish it first because I can't share it unless I've published it. So once I've published it, then we're going to go ahead and share that link. So this is the same kind of share button. So this is the one we want. I've got to make it public. And then we need to copy the published site link. Copy that. Now we're going to go to the Unit 3 section here, where you're going to put it in. On this chart here. And your guys' names should all be on here. You're just going to highlight it. If it'll let me highlight. There it goes. And then we're going to add a link by pressing Control K. And then apply. That's how you add your video link, or your website link. I'm going to take that off Jamil's though, because that's not his, that's mine. Now to add a video, We're just going to go to YouTube, pick the video you think would best suit your presentation and capture the audience, because you're going to use this in your presentation. We will do this. Let's just try this. Oh boy, some of these are quite interesting. This one is under 2 minutes, so this one's acceptable. So let's just, well, I don't think you can hear me, so hear the computer, but this looks like a really interesting video on obesity. So perhaps I'll share this one. Copy that link and put it in this, and you put your video here. Okay? So remember, with the videos, it's important that you select a video that is impactful and goes very well with your topic. You can have a video about your topic as a problem. You can have a video about your topic history. You can have a video about your community service organization. You can pick a video on any of these things, but just remember that they should be under 2 minutes. Okay? Because you're going to include these in your presentation and on your website. So just keep that in mind when selecting a video. So to be clear, today attendance will be taken by having your links in. So you should have a link on your name for your website and over here for your video. Okay? Spend a while looking for a good video, but everyone should certainly be able to do the website right away, because as I said, all you have to do is create the website and then go ahead and publish and share the link, you know, so that one, and you can keep making changes even after you've done that. So it's quite simple, quite straightforward, I believe. The longest part, I think, will be you spending time looking for a good video. But get those websites links up there and the video links up there, and you'll be marked present for today. I plan on Zooming in tomorrow, so we can talk about the drafting process as we were supposed to talk about today, except I woke up feeling bad. Still feeling kind of bad. So it's the revision process. I need you guys to have that ready to discuss tomorrow in Zoom. So you make sure you answer all these questions in your daybook. Okay? And we did 4 and 5 in class last week. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Okie dokie.